What's the meaning of collaborator? Collaborator. Collaborator.
Collaborator. Collaborator. The term collaborator refers to someone who works together with others towards a common goal or project. A collaborator may contribute ideas, resources, expertise, or other forms of support to help achieve the shared objective. Collaboration is often used in fields such as science, academia, and business, where multiple perspectives and skill sets are needed to tackle complex challenges. Effective collaborators must be able to communicate well, work cooperatively, and be open to feedback and new ideas. Successful collaboration can result in innovative solutions, increased productivity, and stronger relationships among team members.